So, hi all, good evening everyone. Hopefully you all are doing great. And ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपने Fedora इंस्टॉल कर दिया होगा and you install Fedora like the way we did yesterday. Although I have given the wrong, resources, that was not enough. But initially, you can use any of the Linux-based operating system to do it. But because we are using Fedora for a couple of reasons, so it's better you can manage it, right, by using your, okay, fine. So what we're going to do today, we'll be discussing a couple of things. Okay, before all this, I really want to tell you one thing, that we are looking for 50 people, right, and 50 people who will be working with us for research based product R&D, right? But those 50 people we will be filtering from various category, right? And the category will be your attendance, definitely how you are attending session, and exam performance. So we'll be conducting exam, so your exam performance, right? And the third, how you are, how much you're active, I mean how exactly you are connecting with people on Discord. So simply these are three factors: attendance, that is not below than 75%. Exam performance will be monitoring in a various factor, and Discord, right? You need to be active on Discord, so we'll monitor everything accordingly. Then we'll give you the list, I mean the place in top 50 people. By the way, if you want to connect in Discord, if you are a new user, so once you go to this channel, I mean youtube.com/C Ashutosh Singh, here I have fixed all the link. This is my LinkedIn, Facebook, GitHub, Twitter, sorry, Instagram, and Discord. So if you click here, let's say on Discord, your browser will be redirecting your link to there, and you can just accept the invitation, and or maybe you can open it in your PC. Otherwise it will open in your browser also. So simply you can just go and use that link. Okay, as of now I'm just closing it, and rest other for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, all links are given here, right? So just an information. So okay, so today what we are going to do is, right, we are going to use some very basic concept and the commands. So this is my Fedora, as you can see here. I am just login here. Okay, so before login into the operating system, I really want to talk about the user management, or users, how you're going to use. So if you are an engineer or a normal user and you want to work in any of the operating system, so I'm taking all three examples as of now. Either you are having Windows based OS, or you're having Linux based OS, or you're having Darwin based OS, right? Means Mac or something. So all you have to do is, to do almost any kind of job, you have to log in it first. Okay, as a standard practice as of now, every operating system has a normal user. Normal means the user without admin access, so we are calling them standard user. Okay, that means the user that we have, like student XYZ 123 whatever. Okay, user with normal permission. Fine. But if you want to get an administration access in Microsoft Windows, we have account called administrator, right? That you all know, administrator. In Linux based OS we have root. In Mac based OS also we have root. So in short, apart from Microsoft Windows, in Macs of the operating system we have root as a main user. Okay, so like we are using Fedora, Red Hat, or any other OS, we are using root as a main user. Okay, so if you see here in my VirtualBox, I have this Ashutosh user. If I want to log in root, I need to just click on not listed. Okay, but I'm not recommending root user as of now, so I'm just hitting enter. Okay, and what is password? I think it's something. If I hit enter, yes, I'm in. So this is my normal user in my Fedora account. Okay, it will take some time for the first time. Generally it is taking, right? Once you are in, I'm just making a big one, so you will be having, you know, all your desktop here. Fine, so I'm not waiting for that, just okay. So next thing is, once you log in, so try to do work with normal user as of now, until unless you are not understanding the benefits and, you know, the drawbacks of this root user. So in companies also, you will never get root access by default. Wow, by the way, it's a good wallpaper. So this operating system is entirely very much similar to your Mac and Windows. It's a full GUI based user. Okay, so the way we will be working, it will be all three ways, right? So how we are going to work in Fedora OS? So we'll be using Fedora in a three different way. So if we are going to learn it, we'll work in Fedora by using graphical user interface, command line interface, and by programming. So we will be writing lots of code in this Linux training by using Python, by using Go, and specifically by using shell scripting. So in short, you'll be learning somewhere Python. I'm not going to teach you Python, Go, or shell script, but some assignments and tasks are there that will be, you know, connecting to all these three languages. Okay, this is shell scripting, Go, and Python. So we need to understand this entire operating system in and out. Okay, before, you know, starting this session, most probably will be planning a quiz. Okay, and what will be the purpose of that quiz? To take attendance, and also how many correct answer you are giving. So that is one of the way of measuring your performance. Okay, so what you can do is, as of now, you all have to appear for a quiz. Okay, so max of the people you are already understanding maybe Kahoot. So what you have to do is, you can use your smartphone. Don't use the same device from where you are browsing this YouTube session. Use your phone or any other device where the session is not running live, and just navigate to this website called kahoot.it. For example, if I'm going to open in my phone browser like kahoot.it, you can also download this app from tomorrow. So when you hit this, you will be asking for a game pin, and that game pin I'm going to share it. Okay, so I'm sharing this link in the chat window, right? And now I am sharing you the game pin. By using that, you can okay, Okay, I think the background is my YouTube one. I just tried. Anyway, the game pin that you can use is this one. So you can see your name. I think one player is in. So all you have to do is kahoot.it, asking for a game pin. All right. Okay. I don't know how I removed that video, but anyway, I just tried. And so I can see around 18 players, 20 players. So you can just check this count, because we are around more than 50, 30 players, so you won't be able to check your list every time. So all players are up and down. So I'm just giving a time of 1 minute where the 50 people will be there. Then I'll start that quiz. Okay. And make sure whatever name, I mean good or bad name you are giving, you remember your own name. It will be not something like that yes, you are just giving it every day a different name and you don't remember it. So I can see around 52 current viewers are there, 55 even. The viewers are coming up and down, not a problem. But anyway, so 10 more seconds, right? So within 10 seconds we are starting it, right? So I can see around 53 players. Okay, fine, we'll define some rules. Okay, now it's around 54, so I'm starting this quiz. Okay, you'll get 60 seconds every time. You know what that means? For every question you will get 60 seconds. Okay, so now I am starting this. You don't have to cheat. Honesty is the best policy, right? So as I can see, 23 correct answer. Okay, I'm giving you a way how you read about things. Okay, so for example, if I'm taking some topic in a with a introduction way, or I'm introducing some topic, you have to Google about it, right? So 5.7 is the latest version. Okay, and yes, these are top 5 people. All the ranking will be downloaded in my device, so you don't have to worry about the ranks. Okay, now the next one. Alright, so Oracle Linux is a Linux created by Oracle company, and the distribution category of Oracle Linux is RPM. It's okay. I'm really sorry for those who has given the exe option. Seriously, if there's a Linux flavor, how it can be exe, right? So if you're a new user, please revise the last session, right? I mean the first one that we did yesterday. Okay, 11 people have given it's having its own flavor. Anyway, so this is something. We discussed about the same yesterday, right? Wonderful. That means maximum people are listening, and maybe they are revising their concept. Okay. So the installer name of the next distribution is Anaconda, and right there. All right. So Manan Jain have given three correct answers in a row. Good job, Manan. Good one. I can die because 56, sorry, 57 correct answer. Okay. All right. Wonderful. So, the original founder of Linux kernel is Linus Torvald, right? Okay. The next one. Wow, 61 correct. So, okay. All right, Darwin kernel. We discussed about the same. Initially, the questions are very simple, by the way. Just enjoy the things. Okay, maximum or correct. C in assembly. That is great. Second last. Let's see how many people are giving the right answer. Okay, we will be discussing about different type of kernel, micro, monolithic, hybrid and exo nano. But that time is not today. We have a dedicated session about kernel typing. Okay. All right. Final question. Oh my god. Yes. I don't know the answer, but let's see how many people can guess it. Oof. So the right answer is oof. Okay, it was a very weird thought in my mind. Anyway, so let's see the top five, top three first. Super Manan is second. C 10 out of 8 out of 10. Radham, the most fastest answer, right? And these are all five. Okay, you guys can report in what we say Discord, right? All right. So the number you scored and the points we will be, taking from backend. Okay. So directly jumping into the session, that means I am going to use it. So for example, if you talk about very basic thing in Linux,